What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we got ourselves another home run day. Check it out. Well, guys, as I wrote yesterday on Stock Twits and on my Twitter, we expected Tesla today to sell off. Sadly, yesterday when I saw the crack in Tesla, the market had just closed, so I couldn't buy a put. If not, believe me, I would have bought at least one put contract, and man, that would have made me some major bank again today. I mean, it could have easily been another $6,000 day. That's crazy, man, this Tesla. But still sitting on a home run day today. And we're going to go over the trade and what I did and how I did it. It took two trades today, two for two green trades, one small green, and then one real nice home run, trade. And, we'll go over that. I have the live trades recorded. But before we do, we're going to go ahead and show you right here on Tesla what happened yesterday. So let me just grab the 15-minute chart just for ease of use. So here you have Tesla make all-time highs. Brand new, up here close, like really close to $1,000, right? We got up here to like 960 something. And then out of nowhere, in the last 15 minutes of the day, in reality, so like the last 6 minutes, I think, it went from that high of $968.98 to a low of $860. That was mean. That's $100 candle right there. Yeah, that's $100 candle. That's crazy. And then in after hours, it chopped around there, but kind of forming like a bear flag formation. You won't see it here in the 15-minute, but that's what it was forming in after hours. And I was like, well, damn, I wish I could have bought a put. Just one put. It would have made me some major bank. Then you looked at the daily, and this is straight up indicative of a trend reversal. You have the huge gap up, which I expected after this day, which is, as you know, if you watched yesterday's video, it's the video where I go over and show you the live trade on how I made a little bit over $6,700 on this gap up right here. And then we closed off on this doji. When we closed off on this doji with that crack and the huge volume that we had on that sell-off, check out the volume. It was huge. Look at this volume bar. That's huge in a 15-minute candle. That is a huge volume bar. That's like 5 million shares that just got sold out right then and there. I was actually telling a buddy of mine, and I recorded a little clip on my phone, and I texted to him. I might even put that up on Twitter for you if you want to see it. If you want to see it on Twitter, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and post the little video clip on Twitter, and you can see what I sent him yesterday in after hours. And I told him, I expected today a gap down. In this zone. And sure enough, that's what we got. And while I couldn't swing trade it, sadly, I still was able to get a day trade. I missed the best opportunity to get the day trade in, but I was still able to capture a little piece of this move, okay? So like the best opportunity was right here in this 820s, 840 area. This was the best area that I could have bought puts in, and I didn't. And I'll tell you why. Tesla is scary as crap. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Tesla is scary. If you are not in the least bit concerned, okay, with when you trade Tesla, then you're either careless, okay, or you have your risk management down packed, or you just don't know what you're doing, honestly. Because if Tesla does not intimidate you a little bit, okay, then it's one of those three things. Okay, and even if your risk management is on point, you're a human being. You're not a computer. There should be a little bit of concern there knowing the risk there is in Tesla, because this thing is mean and the options on it are even meaner. I saw options today with spreads of $5. $5, okay? I normally have no problem marketing into something or getting in on the ask of something, when I'm seeing it. But on Tesla options, I gotta limit my orders in and limit out, because you can't market out because the spreads are so big. So I limited in today and limited out of both of my trades. One of the reasons the day isn't bigger is simply because I only had one contract because of risk. I didn't want to take on more risk, so I couldn't buy two. Had I bought two contracts, I would have sold one held on to the other, and then boom, the bank would have came. But it's really hard to do that with one contract. You only got one sell. You can't sell half a contract. I wish you could. That'd be awesome. You know, one contract controls 100 shares. So you half my contract, 50 gone, and I keep 50 on the book there. Now, where did I get in? Since I missed this, which was so sad because guys, this was a $1,000, $2,000 trade all day. I got back in on this bounce. But I was concerned with something, okay? Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. And I do have this live, and we're going to go over it live. I can't make it any bigger. I don't know why. Oh, maybe there. Okay, you see here, you know, we get into that level I was talking about, which is a pre-market support level that we broke under. Once we come underneath here, okay, I missed this whole move. We get this bounce. Look at that. That's a pretty nasty little wick there. Okay, it stuck it right there at 775. Nice increase in volume. So it was concerning. Right in here, I bought one contract, okay? And when we came down here, I expected, when we started making, you see this wick all the way down here at 791? I had 780 strikes. I was like, heck yeah, let's do this. I think I had 780 strikes. We'll see in the video in a second. Let's do this. And I expected it to just give me one big fat volume bar all the way down here, right back to 775. And when it didn't and it started to pick back up, I was like, oh. I put out an ask. I put out an order on the ask. Took a few seconds until, you know, somebody met my ask and the order got filled. And I booked a real nice, you know, like $700 gain. So I'm not going to complain about it, you know, $600 gain, sorry. I'm not going to complain about it. And I had made another $100 earlier in the morning. So, you know, nice $700 day, but look what happened. The action that I wanted here, we got it here. And this would have been a $2,000, $3,000 win right there. What can I say? You know, Tesla is not for the faint of heart. So that was it right there. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the recording of that live trade. But before I do, let me show you MYO and what it did, because I told you yesterday on Twitter as well and on StockTwits that I had that on watch today as well. MYO is crazy. You know, we had this huge move yesterday and then it took it all back. But then in after hours, look at this bounce from $13, $12 area all the way up here to $22. We had a gap up and a push today to a brand new high up here of $39. You know, that's insane. That really is insane. I thought, you know, we might get a trade here if it pulled back, held this previous high, would push up to maybe 45, 50 bucks if we got a big squeeze on, but it's decided to just fade it now. I'll show you the 3-minute chart here. There you go. Nice short opportunity. But I mean, look at these two candles. These are $10 candles, guys. These are $10 candles. This is why I don't like to chase momentum. Like, oh my God, yeah, I'm going to buy the break of 40. You buy $39 there and bam, all of a sudden you lose $10 a share. I wonder if anybody lost $10 a share today, and we'll see it on YouTube. That is nuts right there. But let's get back to Tesla here. I have the live trade recorded for you. Should be this one. I gotta start deleting some of my old recordings. I mean, it is this one. It's $30. I'm in one contract, right where I told you. But why did it stop there? Did it continue here? Here we go, guys. All right. So here we are. You see how we get the bounce, okay? Like I said, I was concerned. I'm looking for this 90 MA VWAP cross. I was concerned that we had this wick in front of this area on an increase in volume. But I know Tesla's weak right now, and I know there's a lot of stop losses getting hit. I know there's a lot of panic selling. I know there's a lot of noobs that are stuck in this thing, both routes, short and long. So I need to be concerned with the fact that this might not trade exactly how it should, right? According to technical analysis, because when you get a high level of euphoria in a stock, technical analysis go out the window a lot, and that's why you saw this thing go from like 300 bucks to almost 1,000. So that's what I'm looking for here, okay? The reason I got in is because we had the strong bounce, but then the volume immediately decreased. I was like, okay, well, we might fade it back down to the low. And when we started to get this red candle here, I really expected this one to just give me a big wash here and then open up another candle and go down here and maybe make a new low. And I was going to book a solid $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. See how we got that action right there? Look at that. Boom. I'm in at $30 and these are popping off at 36 right there. Okay. Look at that. Volume increases. And now we're going off at 37. And now we're going off at 38. Okay. I actually put an order out to sell at 37 there when I saw that we started to pick it up a little bit, but I didn't get a fill. There I get my fill at 36. And I saw that candle. You see, and that's exactly what I thought might happen. We'd pick this up and we'd get another candle here and we would start making higher lows. That's what I thought could happen. Okay, all because of this little candle here with this volume bar. I mean, I could have held on, you know, stayed true to my stop up here. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to take this right here. I can always get right back into the trade if needed. But Tesla doesn't make it easy, ever. It never makes it easy. So right there, well, let's go back real quick there. You'll see that I'll book my profit. You can see right here. I'm in $30.01. Okay. And right there, you see me sell at $36. Executed $36. So we start to get that action. But then look. I guess, see it right there. I guess I should have been more patient. Look at those. I was in at $30, guys. These are going off at 45 bucks. But look at the spread, 42.25 by 45. The spread was hardcore. Look at that. And all of a sudden, boom, 50s as we make the new lows. That's what I was hoping to get here in this candle. You know, this type of candle right here. Oh, well. I mean, I can't be mad. Look at that. It goes all the way to 60 bucks. Look at that, $63. I can't be too mad, guys. 2 back-to-back. Yesterday was like more than a grand slam. Today's a home run. I'm happy. Let me know how you traded. Remember to drop it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you very much for watching. Catch you on the next one.